Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself briefly. I am Pooja Bharti, MA second year, Department of English, VKM. Today's topic of presentation is Raja Rao, the Serpent and Rope, a critic. Without any further delay, let's start. Introduction. Raja Rao, one of the big three of Indo-Anglian fiction of the first generation, has been the literary master of myth-making in Indian writing in English. His fiction is a moment of Indian thought and culture. He delves deep into myths, folklore, fables, and religions of India. He incorporates idealism as a part of human reality and has transformed the turmoil of age into the final spiritual stirrings. He has converted his Kantapura, a novel of the national movement, into a veritable Sthan Purana emanated from the Puranas. The village became a microcosm of the national movement. Next, he is deeply influenced by the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, and Mahabharata constitute the bedrock of Indian intellectual culture. Apart from it, Raja Rao's work have a typical Indian ethos and the ancient Indian classical life, the Vedas. The Puranas, the Upanishad, the Bhagavad Gita, etc., have helped him in understanding the spirit of India. Next, Raja Rao uses the philosophy of the selfless action in the Kantapura, which lead to self-knowledge in Serpent and the Rope and self-surrender in the Cat and Shakespeare. In an interview with R. Parthasastra, Parthasasri Raja Rao rightly remarked, I think I try to belong to the great Indian tradition of the past when literature was considered a sadhana. Next, in The Serpent and the Rope, Raja Rao has discussed Indian mysticism and Vedantic philosophy as a subject of his novel. In The Serpent and the Rope are the symbol of the illusion and reality in the Indian intellectual tradition that Raja Rao weaves into the framework of his novel as idea regarding the illusion and reality. In the novel, Ramaswamy is an intellectual pilgrim who is yearning to see truth into things and tries to understand the meaning or purpose of life. Next, the novel is not a book but an artistic vision of texts of Hindu philosophy. Ramaswamy represents the Upanishadic and the Vedantic tradition and often discussion about his quest as a protagonist in the novel. The theme is the journey of the spiritual quest, which is of primarily significance in the novel. Ramaswamy quest for truth also became the quest of the author himself. The Indianness of Raja Rao is marked out in the number of the Indian myths and legends which are woven into the fabric and the novel. In the novel, myths and legend into the only establish a link between the contemporary and the antiquity, but also the substantiate and concretize and the spiritual exploration of the Ramaswamy. The novel is the spiritual autobiographical of the hero narrator Ramaswamy as well as of the novelist himself. It is the rare skill and the craftsmanship of the novelist that Myths and legend ritual that have been incorporated and the unfinished in life structure of the novel. The various myths and employed in the novel highlighting the spiritual oneness between the Ramaswamy and Savitri, and through them the Raja Rao depicts the richness of our culture and heritage. Conclusion. As a typical Indian philosopher, Raja Rao aim in the serpent and the rope is to suggest that the non-dualistic philosophy is the ultimate truth, which Indian Vedic tradition has evolved in its quest for truth. His depiction of woman as a creative principle reflects his deep and attachment with Indian ethos and sensibility. Thank you for listening me.